ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Lajong played. They went on to salvage a point in absolutely literally the last minute of the game, where Daniel Gonzalez scoring that goal. So of course for them, this game is a contest of logging all 3 points, and they are just one of these two sides. Except for them, it's just Mohammedan Sporting who still stays unbeaten in the league, and Shillong Lajong is still to be beaten in the league. They have gone on for 7 unbeaten games. So with keeping that in mind, of course, this is another crucial fixture, particularly they got on to defeat Gokulam Kerala. Apologies, not Gokulam Kerala rather. They went on to draw with Gokulam Kerala. That was kind of a tough encounter.
Well, indeed, that's been surprising, not just because of those wins, but they have won those two fixtures through losses as well, which is very contradictory to the way they have played. Sometimes they look like a side possessed, so tough to beat a 4-0 against Stroud, and after that it was the draw against Gokulam, and later on they lost 2-1 to Delhi FC. But both of those games were away from home, and today Stroud likes him, Shillong likes him, and he is delivering. Time for match number 51.
Kakinhun na kanong ba ka Shillong Lajong kala Kiew sa Kyrdan balay jong Hero I League baminta ka samoy hadim kala pinlem da arla not persya ka Churchill Brother FC Hamadan First Ground jong Shillong Sports Association Hamadan Pulu minta ka singi kan rotary ubnai no pra ka Shillong Lajong kumba kala angnot kala urlong hadim kala job hakani ka jing khun persya ba ka Churchill Brother ka Shillong Lajong kala yo ban pinki jarning kong lingba ulaiwang boham ha ka minute ka basaw pusan jong ka kelas tem Habuan phai ha ka kelamit kala jong lala banyele kai bha bat ka nyunting ka Churchill Brother FC ha ka babon ki kabu kala sep bat ki klemla ban pin urlong Henry ha ka san phui minute urang yele kai kala jong ulo ban khruit sha goal lingba urenan Polino de Zuza na penalty hadin ke jing sha awo hakirang abbak jong Churchill Brother
showed a bit of brilliance and provided a few good players. One of them even went on to sign for Mumbai City FC and was on the bench in the AFC Champions League match later. And the others starting around in different clubs in the I-League and ISL. Here's another free kick at this time for Churchill.
Believe in the ethos of building the Indian football base. There comes the free kick, but that's gone miles away from that woodwork. And talking about Mumbai City FC, the likes of Nishan Pandit are one of my personal favorites. And I also believe he can be one of the strikers that Indian national team is looking for at the moment. He's sensational. Alongside Mumbai City FC, another team that promotes youth is Hyderabad FC as well. There's a nice cross goes sent out towards an extreme left. And Shillong Lajong still tries to infringe into the opposition box. This can be a shooting chance, and somehow Karim Sam proves to be the obstacle between the ball and the goal. And now Hardy sending it forward, back with Kinsel once again. And now another attack coming in from the right. There comes the cross, goal scoring chance. Eludes Karim's towering stature. He was rightly on his money this time. A sensational delivery into the box coming in from Renan Paulino. That is why he's so dangerous, isn't a launch pad. It's going to be the captain Hardy who chips it into the box. Goal scoring chance, what a save. But it looks like finally Shillong Lajong. Well, the goal has not stood. But Shubhashish Roy Chaudhary once again standing tall under the woodwork. We were talking about why it's so dangerous for Shillong Lajong.
Goal line. The initial one was that off. Well, that was why the offside was given, because here probably Nischal was already crossing the goal line. So this,
yeah, of course, I think we should also talk about that the unsung heroes of the job now. We all know that VAR is still to come down to India. Till the time that has not been the case, we know the assistant referees have done a phenomenal job as well alongside the referees. Now, Churchill brothers talking about being phenomenal. They try to muscle their way past almost a couple of defenders, and it looks like they have done a brilliant work of getting a free kick in their favour for what can be a potential goal-scoring chance. Chika Julu, oh, that had some venom, that had some menacing dip on that. It has, I won't exactly say that they have gone back into the husk, but now it's a more open play than it initially was. It was kind of lopsided when the game began in the wee hours of the fixture. It was just the Reds coming in numbers. Then the Red machines, they geared up as well and they got switched on. And since then it has been a pretty feisty battle at both ends.
Shillong came in attack. Renan Polino has been allowed some space. And now from the right to Kaka, time and again coming in the box. Another chance. This one is the best of them. There is no offside involved this time. It came up a deflection. And the Rock Capital can now rock in style. It's 1-0 Shillong Lajong. And now they will be a happy side.
Entire attacking unit coming together. That is what makes this goal a lot more special. And Lajong beat the ultimate spot. We'll try and show you this is how the goal was scored. Sensational delivery once again coming in from Paga there. Look at this one, a nice off the ball play, and then Abdul Karim Sam tries to skip.
And more forced to go forward. They're on the lead. A slender 1-0. But a performance to cherish so far. Churchill brothers, they have looked solid. They have looked threatening. They haven't yet got a goal to their name, which they will be looking for. They have scored against Shillong Lajong in the last 4 meetings. But right now it's time to find out who finds 3 more points in the I-League. With the second half underway, it's Shillong Lajong in red, attacking from right to left of his screen, while Churchill brothers in their wing strikes and black and right in this half. Display of football in all has been quality from both sides, and there has been a change for Churchill brothers. Silvana Tima has come on the right hand side. Not sure for whom. We'll wait for confirmation. But with me in the com box, Rohit Ganguly. Welcome back, Rohit.
Thank you so much, Bhashwar, and what a cracking battle has this been. We were talking about it in the interval as well. Both the teams, they have played very positive brand of football. And they'll be providing support to the incoming Uganda. It's a long throw here. Nishal Chandan once again with it all set. Sends it into the box, but eventually headed away to safety. Churchill brothers looking around for a bit of shooting space and a very nasty effort. Rolling up straight down the gully of Vishal Lama. Picks it up, takes his time, looks around. Just trying to steal away a few seconds. That's all I can say.
Yes, that's well. Vishal Lama, not just today, I mean, throughout the season at the moment. It's solid, it hasn't got a clean sheet, but by that time again, he's been brought down, and this time, no question marks. The first one wasn't given, and now Shillong Lajong, what a start to the second half if they can convert this opportunity. They're complaining.
They are complaining, they can complain as much as they want, but once the decision has been given, it's not going to get overturned. And I think a yellow card is going to come out here for the new captain. That really is a penalty. There's no questions on that. In fact, the second one is a penalty as well. So I don't know why the referee yellow card to warn another Churchill brothers player will confirm who is it. Look at the crowd. They are loving that. They are even. Polino with the chance. And introducing the second player. He's converted the ball into the back of the net. It took us a while to realize that. But then again, when we talk about the Selecao, they don't miss too many spot kicks, do they? Look at the crowd. Look at the red flags. It's a crackling red storm taking us all by surprise.
Well, it is, and Renan Polino, he is a genius. And enjoying the chance in the moment, but he had to keep focused from converting. That stop. Now we're taking a penalty to the future. I thought we did see the side time as well. That is perfection. And as I was saying, those 2 nudges outside, inside the box, rather just before the...